No, 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 no.
Let's take this overboard now. I want you to.
Oh, hell no.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Destiny, and if you've seen my face before and you haven't subscribed yet, then baby, what is you doing? Subscribe. So y'all are probably wondering why I look so bummy, and honestly I agree, but that's exactly why I'm filming this video. So my hair is super dry, super filthy, dusty, crusty, musty. Okay, it's really not that bad, but it looked like it though. My edges, don't even look at those, I'm embarrassed. But anyways, I'm basically gonna title this video how to do a braid out on relaxed hair, because if y'all don't know, my hair is relaxed and I've been relaxed pretty much my whole life. Yes, I'm basically gonna be showing y'all my little routine, but today we're doing something special. I'm doing an egg yolk hair mask because my hair needs it. And you know, you really have to listen to your hair and give it what it wants sometimes, or else it's gonna fall out. So with all that being said, let's get right into the video. So we're gonna go into my bathroom, and I got all the stuff to make the hair mask. So all you need is eggs. For me, I'm using 3 eggs because I don't think 2 egg yolks is gonna be enough for me in this mess. Then oil of your choice. I'm gonna be using coconut oil and Jamaican black castor oil and argan oil. I believe that is pretty much it, but you can add extra things like honey. So apparently if your hair is dry and brittle like mine, you should use the egg yolk to get the moisture and to like fix that breakage and like whatever. And then if your hair is super oily, then you should use the egg whites. Yeah, I'm about to show y'all how to make it right now. Okay, so like I said before, I'm using 3 large eggs. This is the coconut oil I use unrefined. I got it from Target, and this is the coconut oil that I use specifically for my hair, and that is the Jamaican black castor oil and argan oil mixture. I'm basically separating the egg yolks from the egg whites. I'm actually a professional. Just kidding, y'all missed the struggle. I'm gonna just add in my coconut oil, and you can honestly add as much as you want. I think I added like probably 3 tablespoons in total, but I cut that part out. And then I only added like, well, at first I added 1 tablespoon of the oil mixture, but I actually added probably 2 because I added another one later on. And you just got to keep mixing until it becomes like more of a paste. It's a little clumpy because I didn't melt the coconut oil. This process will be much easier if you decide to melt the coconut oil beforehand like a smart person would do, but yeah. So basically I just do that until it's smooth. Okay, so now that we've made our mask, it's time to deal with this situation on my head right now. Start taming my hair, taking out my little scrunchie that I got for free. It's really nice. I like it because it's really soft and it doesn't snatch my hair. This is a mess. My hair is a mess. It's fine. It's very crippled looking. First I'm gonna get my wide tooth comb and detangle real quick. So now that we have that detangled, I'm gonna section off my hair and start applying this mask. So I'm gonna use one of these. Let's do a length check real quick. What is that? It's past collarbone. This is my collarbone right here. So like an inch past collarbone maybe. So basically what we're gonna do is just take this section down here and apply some of the mask. I'm simply just gonna use my hands and apply it. So yeah, I'm scraping the bowl at this point. Like, I used all 3 eggs. If you have thicker hair, you might want to use more eggs. The egg is getting a little hard on my hair. Before it hardens too much, I'm just gonna put my little handy dandy shower cap on. I actually have 2 shower caps. Alright, so now I'm gonna let it sit for like 20 minutes. Pew. Now I'm gonna go wash my hair. I'm not gonna take you guys into the shower with me. I use Organic. This is the tea tree mint one. I switch, I flip-flop. I use the coconut one, the Moroccan one. I've used a bunch of them. I don't want the light. And then the conditioner. And it says, indulge in a burst of freshness. With this blend infused with tea tree oil, peppermint, and witch hazel, invigorate your senses with the minty tingle and discover hair that is shiny and healthy looking. These are both sulfate-free products. So yeah, I'm gonna just shampoo my hair like normal. And then while I'm in the shower, I like to condition my hair. Like, I'll lather the conditioner on my hair and then I'll bathe myself, do whatever I gotta do, you know, whatever you do in the shower. That's what I do in the shower. Actually, let me not say that because I don't know what y'all be doing in y'all shower. But yeah, I like to let the conditioner sit a little bit for like 10 minutes or so. And then after that, I will be back and you will see me. Okay. So, I'm back. And I look like a wet dog. But it's okay. Update on my hair is super, super freaking soft. I'm going to apply a leave-in conditioner. I've been using this leave-in conditioner for a very long time. Infusion by Pro 23. It's called the Pro Vitamin B5 formula, the original leave-in treatment. And it says for damaged hair. I mainly focus this on my ends. My hair dries pretty fast, so I usually leave this on for like 30 to 45 minutes. And if you're wondering why I put a t-shirt on my head, it's because it's better for your hair than a rough towel. Alright, so I'm gonna see y'all later when my hair is pretty much somewhat dry. I'm back. It's like 10:54 p.m. I took a whole nap, did 4 whole homework assignments. Like, it's been a day. My hair is like 100% dry. I have this mixture of leave-in conditioner and water, and it's this leave-in conditioner by Cantu. Let me do it in the YouTube way. So before my braid out, I'm going to take the little mixture of argan oil and Jamaican black castor oil, and I'm going to put it on my scalp. And I'm going to just massage that into my hair. Now that that's done, I'm going to put some oil onto my ends. Just a little drop, because, you know, castor oil is thicker. And I don't want my braid out to be too weighed down or nothing like that. So, just some on my ends. Update on the hair mask. My hair is so freaking soft, bro. I usually like to do my braid out on damp hair, so I'm just going to dampen my hair a little bit with this spritz bottle that I got from Walmart. I like to dampen my hair to do the braid out so that it makes it form good curls. Now, I like to section my hair off like half up, half down, and it doesn't have to be perfect. I actually don't like doing perfect parts for my braid outs because I don't like how you can see the lines sometimes. I usually do 6 braids. I do a random part in the back because, like I said, I don't really like the lines. It's very random. Let me see if you guys can see. Now, I'm going to take my handy dandy wide tooth comb and just comb through. I want my curls to be tighter, so I'm going to take my Eco Styling Gel. I take this much, spread it on my hand, and then put it on my hair. And I do this because it makes the braid, the curl, the wave hold a little bit. And then I also put some on top of the braid when I finish doing the braid. Then I just do a regular like 3-strand braid. And I just secured it with the regular black little rubber band with the But the gel, I put some more on the outside of the braid, and boom, that's how I do the braids. So I do 1, 2, 2 in the middle, 2 at the top. Okay, so I finished doing the braid out. I'm gonna let them dry, and normally after they dry, which is like 30 minutes, I take my scarf, I got it from Amazon, it's silk, and I just tie it up. Like this, but I just don't want to tie it up right now. That's normally how I do it. After I tie up my hair, I'm going to go to sleep, and y'all will see me tomorrow. See y'all soon, in a little minute. It's gonna be a sunny day. Good morning, guys. Just kidding. Actually, it's 5:13 p.m. Don't judge me. It is the next day. It's time to show y'all the results of my braid out. So, normally when I take out my braid out, I put it into a high pineapple ponytail thingy so I can stretch it out a little bit. So I'm about to show y'all. Yeah, this is pretty much what it looks like in the day after. I'm just taking out all the rubber bands gently. It might not look like I'm doing it gently, but I'm doing it gently. So I'm just gonna start taking out my braids. I don't really do this in a special way. Whoa, these are, see, this is a good braid out. Look at how tight they're coming out. Yes, this is what I like to see. This is what I was going for. If your hair gets frizzy, my hair don't frizz up like that, but if it does, then you can put coconut oil on your fingers and be a little more gentle when you do this. I don't really care. I'm so used to doing this braid out where I just do whatever. So now, I'm gonna put it up like I usually do. I flip my head over and put it into a high thingy. We're just gonna put this in a ponytail real quick. Stretch it out a little bit. Yes, this is literally how I sleep in my hair sometimes. This is usually when I lay my edges while my hair is up. I got this from the hair store. This little edge brush. And this is what the other side looks like. It's really cute. I love it. I got it for $1. I put a thin layer of gel, literally a thin layer, using the same gel that I used last night, and I just do my edges the way I want them to be for the day. So I take this scarf, and there's like a super silky side and like a less silky side. I use the less silky side, and I like do this little thing, roll it up a little bit, you feel me? And then I like wrap it around my edges. I leave it like this for, okay, so normally when I'm getting ready, if I'm in a rush, I will do my hair first, lay my edges, and then do my eyebrows and my lashes and stuff, and put on my clothes. By the time I'm done doing all that, my hair will be ready, and I'll just take it down, shake. I feel cute. Too bad I'm not going anywhere. So, this is how my edges look. Hopefully you can see them in the camera. Now we're just gonna take this out. Oh, so that's it for this video. I'm just kidding. So this is honestly pretty much the finished product, not gonna lie. Like, it turned out pretty good. I'm kind of salty. I'm not going nowhere today. I'm kind of salty. It's a crappy day today. Cause this is a good braid out. Y'all don't understand. This braid out, since the curls are so tight, it will probably last like 3 days. If I just like tie it up at night in that pineapple thing I showed y'all, that high ponytail, I'd be able, I don't even have to redo my braid out for like the next couple days because this came out really good. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, baby. I post every week, twice a week. Don't forget it. With all that being said, bye!